Hello guys, today we are going to IKEA because our father was complaining about his office chair and today we're gonna buy a new one. From Buklawe, it took us 41 minutes to get there.
Let's go.
When we arrived, Poppy was already looking for chairs, but he was very happy with this one. Poppy, you like this chair?
Yeah, it's good for the back and the neck. I think this is the one.
So here, I think he might decide for this chair. Let's see. We're eating our food now. See, look. Poppy has meatballs with rice. I also have. This is gonna be our dessert later. We both have iced tea.
Alternate some
Faith has
meatballs.
Faith
fries
has
for
pasta with tomato sauce. A baguette with garlic and a mushroom soup. For dessert, we got us some ice cream. So we got an ice cream. The second one. And the third. After he chose his chair, we went to the storage area where you get your product. Since Poppy's chair was too high to reach, we went to the furniture pickup counter and gave the receipt. We picked the chair and went then home. We then started building our chair.
I love it. Thank you very much. I love my new chair. It's too comfy. It's good for my back and to my neck, even if I'm going to work longer hours sitting. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, Faithy. Thank you, Franco. Love the gift. Love it.
Love you too, Poppy, and you're welcome. Thank you for watching. This is Faith and Franco.